Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I am making homemade guacamole. It's so easy to make and so good. It's a family's favorite. Hey there everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I like to make homemade guacamole for my family. I'm also going to be sharing with you all some tips and tricks on how to make the best guacamole. We're here visiting my parents, so I'm going to be cooking here today. So when picking avocados at your grocery store, you know when they're ripe when you press them with your thumb and they're slightly soft but not mushy. If you can't find any ripe avocados at your grocery store, all you do when you get home, place them in a paper bag, leave them on your counter, and they'll ripen within 2 to 3 days. And if you do have ripe avocados, they last for about 3 to 5 days. Now to safely remove the pit from the avocado, you're going to slice the avocado in half. Then gently squish the sides of the avocado. And if the avocado is nice and ripe, the pit will pop right out. And just pull it out with your fingers. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 avocados. Then you're going to scoop the avocados out of the skins and get it into the bowl. I just use a spoon to do so. And then top that off with juice from half of a super juicy lime. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then using the back of a fork, just gently mash the avocado until it's nice and creamy. On a side note, this recipe serves from 2 to 4 people, just depends on how you're using it, but it can easily be scaled from up or down. Then add in a 1/4 cup of finely diced onion. I like using white onion because it gives it a really nice mild flavor and gives it a great texture. Then you're gonna add 1 minced garlic clove. Now for the tomato. I first like to remove the seeds. This way you don't get any wet seeds in the guacamole to water it down. If you don't want to remove the seeds, you can just pat it dry with a paper towel. Then add the 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes. Now traditionally, you would add jalapenos, but I like to add green bell peppers. This way you still get the crunchy texture and with the pepper flavor. Then add a 1/4 cup of chopped green bell pepper. Then I also like to use red bell pepper. It gives it a great flavor and so that crunchy texture and some nice color to the guacamole. Then add a 1/4 cup of chopped red bell pepper. Now when chopping your cilantro, you want to cut off the big thick stems towards the ends. I like to use the thinner ones at the top. They're perfectly fine. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. And then finish it off with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then you're going to stir together, and once you have everything mixed together, just transfer to a serving bowl. And this guacamole is ready. Now here's a tip. If you're not serving the guacamole right away, take a sheet of plastic wrap and place it directly over the surface of the guacamole. This will help prevent browning. So the obvious choice to serve this guacamole with is with some chips, but I also like it with some tacos and some sandwiches. It's really good. And I like to make homemade tortilla chips. They're really easy to make and so good. I'll have the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor, and I'll leave the link in the description below. All right, now I'm gonna give this a taste. So good. You can really taste all the different flavors. Also, Also, my mom made some cucumber water. All she did was blend up some water and cucumber. It's so easy to make and it's so refreshing and it's a perfect drink with this guacamole. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!